Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, Maria and Liquorose declare themselves best friends as housemates visit the BBNaija house for the final time. Let's check out the moment.
Hey, best friend.
Hey, bestie.
Are you ready for us?
Hit me with it. Let's go.
Are you guys ready for us? I love you. I miss you too. Finally, we're reunited. Guys, I'm back on my old bed and I'm not leaving. Sammy, come here. Sammy, so you were my neighbor the whole time.
Yeah.
And yet you betrayed me.
I'm sorry again.
We used to have late night talks next to each other.
Sammy, shut up and stop making noise. I need to sleep,
Sammy.
Fuck you, Sammy. Fuck you, Sammy. And I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? With your bonnet.
With my bonnet. Oh my god, I don't even have that bonnet anymore. I lost it.
Congratulations, baby. Hold your bestie. Hold your bestie. Hold your bestie. Hold your bestie.